These push-in WAGO wire connectors have become quite popular recently. Let's find out if they're really better than the tried and true wire nut. Anyone who has done electrical work is probably familiar with these wire nuts. After all, they're the most common wire connector in the United States, and they come with a lot of fixtures. However, they do have their downsides. They take up a lot of space, and you have to have enough room to twist those wires together, but they do form a strong, reliable connection. Now let's take a look at the push-in connectors. These WAGO lever nut connectors have been used in Europe for decades, but they're relatively new to the United States. These work with both stranded and solid wire. In the US, most building wire is solid, however light fixtures use stranded wire and some other applications do as well, so it's nice to be able to connect both types. In addition, these are so easy to remove. You just flip the lever up and pull the wire out, and you can reuse them too. Just push the new wire in and flip it down. While not too common when doing normal electrical work, when working on HVAC and irrigation control wiring, you often need to connect very small gauge wires, such as this 18 gauge thermostat wire, to larger sizes. These lever nuts work great because each wire gets its own hole, so you don't have to worry about issues that you might run into with wire nuts. Now, wire nuts still have their advantages compared to WAGO connectors. For one thing, they're really inexpensive, so they're perfect for things like new construction. They work fine when you have plenty of space to work and there's enough wire length left. However, where I find that these push-in and lever nut connectors really shine is when doing retrofit or repair projects. For example, I replaced a few outlets. The wires were cut too short before, the box is crammed, and these WAGOs really came in handy. So I hope you found this video useful for your DIY electrical projects. Remember to always consult with a professional if you're unsure, and see you all next time.